If you're seeing the Telegram too many attempts, please try again later. Login error. Don't worry, because this usually means Telegram has temporarily restricted new login attempts on your account or your IP address. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it using a few simple steps so you can get back into Telegram as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now, let's get started. The first and most important thing to do is wait it out. Telegram often adds a temporary cooldown when there have been too many login attempts, and the safest solution is to leave the app alone for 24 to 48 hours. During this time, do not keep trying to log in over and over again, because every new attempt can reset the countdown timer and make the wait even longer. So if you've already hit the limit, the best move is to stop trying for a while and let the restriction clear on its own. While you're waiting, the next thing you can try is changing your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, disconnect from that network and switch to a mobile hotspot or a different internet connection. If you're on a PC, this is especially useful because Telegram may be limiting logins from your current IP address. By using a different network, you may get a new IP address, which can sometimes help you get past the login block. Once you've switched networks, try opening Telegram again and see if the login request goes through. Another helpful method is to log in via mobile first. Open the official Telegram app on your phone, especially if you're already signed in there on another device. This can help you establish a safer connection and, in some cases, receive the login confirmation code more reliably. Telegram often prefers verification through an existing trusted session, so using your mobile app first can make the process smoother. If you get the code on your phone, enter it carefully on the device where you're trying to log in. If Telegram still keeps showing the same error, give it more time and avoid rapid repeated attempts. The key here is patience. This is not usually a permanent ban, and in most cases the issue clears after the cooldown period ends and you try again from a different network or a trusted mobile device. Make sure your app is updated as well, because outdated versions can sometimes make login problems worse. Once you're finally back in, remember to keep your recovery details and phone number up to date so future logins are easier. And if this video helped you fix the Telegram too many attempts, please try again later error. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.